Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be showing y'all how I got this dope record purse. Super cute, super easy. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I got a lot of DIYs, lifestyle, and fashion on my channel. So go ahead and join. Help us get to 5K. There's enough room for everybody. So y'all, I picked everything up at the thrift store and we're gonna get right into it. I got 2 records for I think like $1 or $2, and then I got this bag for $6.20, I believe. The bag is actually really good quality, so I definitely have to grab it. So right now what I'm doing is kind of eyeballing where I want and how wide I want my purse to be. So that's what I just did, marked it, and now I am making the lines longer with my chalk. Y'all can use some alcohol to wipe this off, so don't be afraid that it's gonna stay or whatnot. So how many people are trying to accomplish goals this year? Because I most definitely am, but I've been doing good so far. The start of the year, y'all, I have accomplished so many goals already, and literally the key is literally just writing them down, sis. Like, write y'all goals down, comment down below some goals that y'all trying to achieve this year. But right here what I'm doing, as you can see, I'm eyeballing and I'm kind of just drawing down, and I am making a look smaller than the base part because we want to give it that effect as it gets smaller at the top. And seam allowance, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure y'all cutting extra fabric, because it's always better to have extra than to not have enough, okay? So y'all, now we're going to take this part, the little thick part, we're going to put those two together, and we're going to basically use this part that we cut out already as a template and cut out the other side so we can try to get it to be twinning. But of course they was not twinning them. Any project that you're doing, I always know it don't have to be perfect, but make sure you do your best at it. But right now I am cleaning everything off. As y'all can see in the beginning, the disc was definitely dusty, so I'm cleaning off everything with some Lysol wipes. So yeah, right here, as you see what I'm doing, I am measuring out the fit of to where the leather is going to go on the bag, and I marked it, as you can see, with the chalk. So right here I am marking for my holes. I decided to do a 1/2 inch apart, so that's what I'm doing right now. So sis, I was supposed to do this project a long time ago, but I could not find the hot knife. They said they had it at Walmart, but when I was asking, and this is what the hot knife is. When I was asking, nobody couldn't find it, and then I randomly went in there for something else, and I actually seen it in the craft section. So make sure you have something on your or around your hand, a glove or something, because this thing do get hot and you can burn yourself. I did burn that sweater, but yeah, for clean hose, make sure y'all, I didn't really care about if my hose was clean, but if you want yours clean, make sure when you take it out, you scraping off the residue from the knife. So we need some embroidery floss, thread, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to keep it black and simple. So right here you want to, I'm basically just testing it out, and we about to get ready and thread. So I'm going to show you a little more detail in a second what I'm doing. So I'm flipping it like that, and then I'm flipping it like this. And when you threading, you only putting it in through the same side. Get y'all a thimble, because my thumb was, you know, if you know, you know. But as you can see, I'm only going through the front side. keep it that way. I'm going through the whole, I decided to go through twice. And yeah, that's basically it. After we do this, and then we're gonna put our these things right here on there. I was gonna use the strap, but I'm like, no, that's not gonna be cute. It's not gonna be appealing. So I'm like, I'm gonna just use these and make my own. So that little thing was too wide, so I ended up cutting. I'm basically right here practice trying to see how I want to use it, and I decided to use it really short and put it on like this. Super easy, y'all. I should have sewed it before I did the threading on the record purse, but thank God I caught myself before I got too far. But yeah. So we made it to the top, and right here basically I am making sure it's secure. I'm going through the same hole multiple times. I don't know how many I went through. And then after that, I am going to tie a couple knots in there to double make sure it's secure. So y'all, this is what it's looking like. I really like this quality on this leather. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and we done, sis. Okay, sis, so that is it. This is the final and finishing look. I hope you guys like it. I hope y'all try it. If y'all do, make sure y'all tag me, because I definitely would love to see it. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Hit the bell button to be notified when I post. Subscribe, and I love you guys. Mwah.